Hello, beautiful creatures. Welcome to my channel. I am Aradia, the Witch of Dark Light, and I hope you all are doing well. I am coming to you in a different setting, but I wanted to drop in and first say hello. How are you all? I haven't posted a video in a couple of weeks, and in the land of YouTube, that is like forever, and the algorithm is probably like, who even am I? So I will resume to making videos next week. This just has been kind of busy time. There's a lot of new things happening, schedule changes in my home, but this eclipse energy is affecting me greatly because Friday the 13th is my birthday. And so this solar eclipse is happening in my sign. And so, you know, eclipses are like the new moon and full moon on steroids. So not only is the solar eclipse happening in my sun sign, the lunar eclipse that's coming in a couple of weeks is happening on my rising sign. So yeah, you can imagine that how much this is affecting me right now. But I wanted to drop in and say hello because I haven't, you know, I just want everybody to know that I'm still here. And I've been just, you know, trying to figure out life, working on some things. But I also want to share, if you have not seen my post, I created another YouTube channel because I've been battling with figuring out how I want to share the more darker part of myself. And I know on this channel, that's not something that I've done, nor was it something that I started this channel out doing. So a lot of you who are here didn't come for that type of content. And I want to be able to dedicate a space specifically for that and take you along with me. For those of you who are interested in the darker arts, take you along with me on my journey, just share some things. And did I have to create another YouTube channel to express that part of myself? No, but I feel like if I'm sharing my journey with the world on social media, share my journey as a spiritual person, share my journey within the occult and esoteric things, that includes the darker path as well. I am the Witch of Dark Light. So on that channel, it is dedicated to working with demons and just the darker part of the path. And what that all entails. So if you're interested in taking that journey with me, or just clicking subscribe and like to support me, I would appreciate that very much, as it is a new channel. So it's going to take some growing and pushing to get out there. But I'm so excited about it because I need to share the darker parts of myself. So that is what I've been doing, and I just wanted to come in and say hello and put a comment in, because I know some people specifically work with celestial energies, angels, and all of that. And do not work with the infernal energies. And some people only work with infernal and demons and will not work with the celestial energies. And there's many reasons that for that. So let me know what you feel about that and what your experience is. Because I know for myself, as I said, I am the Witch of Dark Light. I am equipped or have the ability, or this is something that in this lifetime that I am supposed to be doing. I'm supposed to be working with the celestial and the infernal. I am comfortable with that. I'm capable of doing that. That is not something that I have a negative reaction to on either side. So let me know what your experience is, because a lot of people don't understand that on the darker path, when you're working with demons, a lot of people don't understand that there's demons for so many things. If you go through even just the 72 goetic demons and see what their attributes are and how you can work with them. For example, there's a demon that you can work with for healing. There's a couple that I know of, and it depends on what type of healing you need, right? If you need healing of the mind, so that demon might not specifically, the attribute might not be healing, but you can work with that demon to understand things of the mind and understand how to be confident or release the traumas that are held within your mind. So there's just like so much. And when you are on the lighter side, and not even necessarily the lighter side, right? Because some people are okay and don't shrug away from the darker path. They just don't understand it, and maybe are fearful and don't even know where to begin to understand it or how to work with it. So let me know what your experience is, because I know if you are blocking, I think that is one of my biggest pet peeves, when you block out and you say this polarity, this spectrum of things, you block it out, you think something's wrong with it, doing that may prohibit or block you from receiving or getting the whole part of the message, the whole part of what it is that you need to heal or grow on your journey. So I don't think it's smart to say, you can say, I don't like that and that's not for me, but just, don't block an opportunity, because you never know where your healing will come from. That's just a big pet peeve of mine. When someone doesn't understand something, or when they don't like it for themselves, they just talk bad about it, when it can actually help someone else. So let me know your thoughts on that. But I just wanted to come in and, let you know I'm still here. I will resume to making videos, and nothing will change on this channel. Well, the one thing I want to change is being more consistent, so hopefully that'll change. But nothing else will change on the channel as far as the content. I just now have a dedicated space in YouTube land where I can share my experience with working with demons. And if you watch that video, you'll hear me mention that I created a tier over on Patreon that goes even further in depth, and it's new, so I only have a couple of things there, but that tier gives you access to the other tiers as well, so you get all of that information, all of the things that I post, not all, but a lot of the things that I post in the shop that is now available on Patreon is free to the patrons over there. So do go check that out. And if you want to take the journey with me in a more personal setting, in a more in-depth setting, and walk through the rituals with me, do go over and check that tier out. But on here, things will still be the same. I will be sharing my theatrical rituals and candle magic and different things still. But yeah, so hello, hope you all are well, and do stay on the lookout for the videos that will be coming next week, and do go over and support me on my other channel. That would be greatly appreciated. So if you have any questions about that part of my journey or anything, or if you would like me to share anything over here or over there, do let me know. But that is it right now. I hope all is well again, and until the next video, I love you all, and into the shadows.